Hello guys, it's Mr. Luna again, and let's continue with our problems. Now we have numbers to solution, number of solutions to an equation. That would be the problem here. And they're asking us, how many solutions does the following equation have? How many solutions does the following equation have? The first thing that you should do is solve that equation to actually find that out. If your answer has no solution, that would be it. If your answer has only one solution, that would be it. And if your answer has infinitely many solutions, that would be it. But how do I get there? All right, let's do it step by step. All right, so the first step that you should do is let's write our equation down here. So we have 74y minus 8 minus 78y equals minus 4y minus 8. Okay, that's our equation. So step number one, let's start by solving that equation. Here we have this. Okay, here we have this number and this number here. These are like terms, so we need to add those terms together. And we have these two numbers here. They're as well like terms, so we can add them together. Like constant integers are like terms and variables are like terms. So what do we do here? Well, we have this number here. Let's start by adding 4y on both sides of the equation to eliminate that from the right side of the equation. So we can just do it wherever, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna do it here. So we're adding that. So what happens here is that this is gonna be 0. All right, so step number one, do that. And we can also, on the same step, add 8 on both sides of the equation to eliminate to eliminate 8 on the right side of the equation. So it's going to be 0, and then I'm going to have a number here. Okay, so let's go ahead and calculate what number is this. Well, here it's easy. This is 0, 2. We weren't planning to do that, but it happened. It's 0 and 0 on both sides. And this is what? 78y. Okay, 78y. I have 78y, and then here I have what? Negative 78y equals what here? 0. Okay, so in this case, 0, 78y minus 78y is 0. So 0 equals 0. Okay, and that's a happy face. Now, what does that mean? Well, that means that this has infinitely many solutions. Why is that? Well, because this side of the equation is equal to this side of the equation. And so any number that you add here will be the same. Okay, so for instance, if y equals 0, that's going to be true. If y equals 2 or 1 or 1,000, that is going to be the same. So this equation has infinitely many solutions.